ready to go. Once everybody gets connected.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning. Good morning.
Morning, Judge.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
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 Okay. Everyone, please stay muted, and the judge will be calling out your case once we give your name out. First one is Mr. Roland Garcia.
Good morning, Judge.
John Price, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And Mr. Price here? Somewhere?
Yes, I see him.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, I see him. Okay, good. What are you doing, Mr. Garcia?
Your Honor, I'm asking for a reset on this case. I believe we've just received some recent discovery on it. Need to review with my client.
Okay, December 6th.
Sorry, December 6th?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, sir. Both of y'all. Excuse.
Thank you. John, you can go ahead and log out now. Thank you.
Okay,
Have a good
thank
day.
you. You too. Thank you.
Mr. Tim Roundtree.
Morning, Judge.
So more, what page are you on, sir?
Judge, I have 620737, and that is on Marina Pomeroy.
What page is on, do you know?
Judge, I'm sorry, I don't have that docket.
Page 2.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Is Miss Pomeroy here?
Well, please speak up, Miss Pomeroy. I know I sent her the link.
Yeah, but that means she's here. All right, you'll find her.
I'll find her, Judge.
Okay.
In addition, I have an off-docket travel permit that I sent to Miss Castillo to present to you.
Okay, when I get
Thank
it, or call me back, or whatever the case may be. Okay.
I'll do it. Thanks.
Mhm.
Brian Ariel.
Where's Brian at? I don't see him.
Morning, Judge. How you doing?
Fine, Brian, how are you?
Good, good. Judge, we finally got the final videos on this case, requesting just one final pretrial reset. So my client and I can decide whether we're going to set this for a motion to suppress or trial, or if we're going to get this worked out.
All right, December 6th.
6, Judge?
Yes, sir. Is your client here, though?
Yes, he should be.
What's your
Yes,
client?
sir.
Or-
Present.
Huh? Where's your client?
Did you hear him, Judge?
No.
Present.
Hello? Where are you?
My name is Gerardo Gonzalez.
Okay, there you are. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. December 6th.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Thank you.
Lina Carriado.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. What,
Good morning.
you know what page you're on?
Page, I don't know what page I'm on, but the case number
Page
is,
6.
I'm sorry, Aleda.
I found it. All right, Joe Ibanez?
Yes,
Jose Ibanez, he's a fugitive.
he's not a fugitive, Judge. I actually tried to have that corrected, I think 2 or 3 hearings ago. And
Okay, let's check. Just check with the clerks right now.
okay. Judge, I'll ask for another reset on this
I'm
one.
not giving you a reset until we find out if this man is a fugitive or not. I don't talk about cases if a person is a fugitive.
Okay, Judge. So what should I do?
Talk to the clerks, as I just said. Make sure that he's not a fugitive, or if he is a fugitive, then you need to turn him in.
Okay, Judge. I'll talk to Aleda then.
Okay.
I can put you in a breakout room, and then you can call the clerk at 335-2008. They'll confirm what's going on with that case, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Aleda.
Okay, the next one is
Aleda?
Ashley Morgan.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Hi, Ashley, how are you?
Hi, doing well, thank you. My first case is Saul Gallegos, page 4, cause number 655754.
Okay, I got it.
He's present. His name's under Saul Gallegos. I am going to ask for a reset, but I want to confer with the state. I have told them a couple of times I'm missing the body cam. And then Judge also signed the agreed blood discovery, and I don't have that back yet.
Okay, stay on and we'll take that up in a few minutes, figure out
Okay.
what's going on, okay?
And I have another case with the same disposition. It's under Anthony Mallory
Okay, I got it.
and cause, oh, you got it. It's same thing. I'm missing breath discovery, and I'll confer with the state.
Okay, stay on and confirm the state. And after you confirm with them, come back to me.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
George Manning,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
My client is on page 7 of the docket, Christopher with a K, Garcia. He has 2 cases.
Okay,
He's confined in the Barry County Jail right now, Your Honor, and I should let you know that I'm not his attorney on it, but the Public Defender's Office represents him on a assault family violence case out of County Court 13. Right now, he's awaiting a psychological evaluation on that case, and he's held on a $5,000 bond. So I've been trying to communicate with the Public Defender's Office on kind of how to get all these resolved.
okay. We can't do anything as long as the psych is in limbo.
Yes, Your Honor. So I would just simply ask for a reset on it.
We'll just reset yours to December 14th.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Be careful.
Have a good day.
Judge, this is Tim Roundtree. I'm back and my client is logged in now.
Okay. Okay, good. And so what are we doing, Tim?
Judge, I've got the discovery. I just need to review it with my client. If I would ask for a 30 to 60 day reset, whatever you would
Okay,
get.
December 6th.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
John Young,
Hello, Your Honor.
Good
I'm
morning.
here on Abel Mendoza. He has a felony pending in the 437th. I have it set for tomorrow. I'd ask for a reset on this.
All right, well, December 6th.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thomas Blasier,
Morning, Judge. I'm here on
Morning.
Michael J. Smith, Judge, for a plea. I believe he's on.
Okay, Ms. Smith, okay. When the plea paperwork gets to me, I'll be glad to do it.
Okay, Judge.
Okay. Hang on.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Angela Blake,
Morning, Judge. I've got 2 clients at page 4 and page 6. Both are present, and I'd like to talk to the DA.
Okay, just wait around and just tomorrow I'll talk to you.
Sharon Thorne,
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Sharon.
I have 2 cases today. Mr. Esteban Garcia, page 2, case number 634078. He is here. I would like to probably confer with the state and or get a reset. My second one is Isaiah Thomas, also on page 2. I'm not sure if he's on. I'm trying to see if he's here. I know I've talked to him. I sent him a Zoom invite. I'm not sure where he is.
Isaiah Thomas? All right, you got till the end of the docket, otherwise it's a bond forfeiture.
Yes, sir.
On the other case, just wait in line and talk to Mr. Lowry and then come back to see me, please.
Yes, sir.
Jaime Aldape,
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Jaime, where are you? Oh, yeah, there you are. Okay.
I'm right here. Your
Yeah, I
Honor, I've
see
got
you.
2 clients. I've got Donovan Mayberry on page 3. We've already conferred and we filled out the plea paperwork, so that should be ready. And the second client on page 5, Lorenzo Perez Hernandez, we've also filled out the plea paperwork. The only thing that's a little different on that one is that he will need an interpreter. And I've
Yeah.
emailed Aleda, she knows.
Yeah, I think there's a note that the interpreter's gonna be ready certain time. So wait till after the docket and then we'll try to do your plea then, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Mhm.
Joseph Stateson,
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm
Good
here
morning.
on Claudia Lee, page 7. and Miss Lee is present. Miss Lee, can you announce to the judge you're present? Wave. You're on mute. There, she's waving to you.
I don't see her.
She's waving. She's sitting on stairs, tank top, mask on her neck. She's waving.
Wave again? Where are you, Miss Lee? I don't see her.
Okay, she may have to say something because it'll probably be in another page.
She's there, Judge.
Okay, I'll take her word for it.
On this one, I had requested video discovery. State was to contact complaining witness who's in possession of the alleged video. If I can confer with the state.
Okay, confer with them. And then after you confer with them, come back to see me because we're going to
Yes.
get that order right now. Okay.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, next one is Stephen Harkowicz.
Well, Stephen, I see you.
Morning, Judge. I was trying to get off mute. I've got Christian Jamal Sampson. He is on the screen here as CJ Sampson. There is a felony pending which arises out of the same transaction. It's still pre-indictment, so I'm asking for a reset so I can try to figure out what the state plans on doing on that drug
6th.
case.
All right, well, December 6th.
Thank you, Judge. May I and my client be excused?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can sign on, Mr. Sampson.
Mr. Robert Valdez.
Good morning, Mr. Valdez.
Morning, Judge. I'm on page 6, Stephanie Barbo, 661-853.
She's got 2 cases.
Yes, I need to get on the line and confer with the state.
Okay. Get in line, and after you talk to him, come back and see me.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Larry Bloomster. He's not here. Okay. We'll come back. That would be Charles Peters.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present for Mr. Vincent Sosa. He's on page 4, 655-802.
Okay. Is he here?
I was going to ask for his appearance to be waived. He has a travel permit and he's currently on a plane.
No.
I'll see if I can get him, Judge.
Get him, it's a bond forfeiture.
Cesar Serna.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey,
I
Cesar.
have Roberto Vega, page 2.
Okay.
He's also present, and we would like to confer, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Lowry, I'd be glad to talk to you.
Thank you,
And
Judge.
come see me afterwards.
Okay, Judge.
So, Mr. Glacier, did you have an announcement to the court?
We already announced, except for a plea, our paperwork
Oh,
should be
yeah.
already been submitted.
Oh, that's true. Okay, Mr. Shannon Locke.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Ricardo Perez Salcedo. We need to confer with an immigration attorney, Your Honor, if we could be reset.
Is he on?
I believe so, yes, Your Honor. He called me asking where I was.
Well, we'll find him. Mr. Ricardo Perez Salcedo.
He's yes. If you could wave, sir. Señor, si se puede mostrar su mano.
Okay, got him. All right. Yeah, December 6th.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Sure.
Puede salir, señor. Vamos a llamarse, okay?
Mr. Roberto Vargas.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Judge, I'm waiting on the discovery on the blood work on this case. My client should be online. Mr. Mendoza.
Mr. Mendoza, or are you? You find him?
No, Judge, let me call him. We'll get back right on in a second.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Larry Bloomquist. Okay, Mr. Larry Bloomquist. I see you. You're muted. Okay. We'll pass to Linda Corley.
Good morning. I have Xavier Edwards, 666-800, and I would like to confer with the prosecutor.
Okay, is your client on?
He is.
Okay, then yes, just stand in line and we'll get to you.
Thanks, Judge.
Sure.
Again, Mr. Larry Bloomquist. Okay, we'll start with Tomas Limon.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Judge, how are you doing today?
Fine, sir.
I have my client. He's here today, Mr. Arevalo. We have paperwork. We're kind of working on it. We got the Spanish paperwork a little late. That was my fault. I'd like to try to get it done within the next 15, 20 minutes. If I have a snag, I'll let you know.
Okay, no problem at all.
Could I be in a breakout room with my client if possible?
Mr. Limon, who's your client?
Jose Arevalo.
And he is under Jose Arevalo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. We'll put you in a breakout room 9, Mr. Limon.
Thank you kindly.
Judge, I believe Mr. Sosa was able to log on.
Sosa, where are you?
I see him on the participants, Judge. I'm not sure where he is on the screen.
Guess I can't find him. Speak up, Ms. Sosa. Okay, next.
There he is. I can, Mr. Sosa, can you say something? We can't hear you.
Oh, Vincent Sosa, I see
Yes.
him. It said he is muted.
Okay.
There-
Okay, there I am.
Okay.
Got it?
All right. What's the problem, Mr. Peters now?
Judge, we're waiting on some videos. We were gonna ask for a reset this morning.
When are they gonna get you the videos?
I can wait and confer with the prosecutors and see what's the hold of
They can
it.
confer with them and come back and see me.
That'll work, Judge.
Hello, Judge.
Yes.
I got Jesse Mendoza on now.
Mr. Mendoza, where are you?
Right here.
Okay, got it. I got it.
I'm still waiting on the lab discovery on the blood, Judge. I was asking for a short reset on this.
Well, let's talk to the prosecutors first, find out when it's gonna come.
Okay.
Then come back and see me. Let's find out why you haven't gotten it yet. All right, let's go.
Excuse me, Judge. Can I report to the court real quick? I apologize. I'm in multiple courts today.
Yeah, go ahead.
Judge, I got Thomas Zuniga on page 5.
Okay.
And the situation that I have, the state has filed an amended indictment, Your Honor, or information, excuse me. And what I'll tell the court is that I've already provided the state information that there's a statute that prevents them from prosecuting my client for this crime. I provided that to them. I've
Okay,
also provided
first of all,
them.
stop, Ms. Lucas. Is your client on?
I believe, yes, Your Honor. I have to look. Mr. Zuniga. Let me see. Yes, he's on, Your Honor. That's
What
Mr.
page are you
Zuniga.
on? I haven't responded yet.
Page 5, Your Honor.
It's page 6, but I got it.
I'm sorry.
Zuniga, okay. Unlawfully carrying a handgun. All right, got it.
Yeah.
Now what? And
So,
they
Judge,
amended-
my client, they filed an amended information on the case. I've already provided them case law stating that it's clear the case law or the statute, there's a statute that prevents, my client has a Texas handgun license issued by the state of Texas.
Okay.
There's a penal code provision that prevents them from
Well, stop.
prosecuting.
Why don't you file a motion to quash it?
I will. I'm going to file a motion to quash, Judge. I'll just file a motion to quash, and also the motion to deal with the fact that there's no probable cause due to the statute.
Okay, file both your motions and we'll hear them on December 6th.
December 6th. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it. Can we log off?
Yes, you can log off. I want you to file your motions today, though. Today.
I will, Judge, but it'll probably be late in the afternoon.
Yeah,
I've
and that's
got
fine.
multiple courts.
That's fine. That's fine. Just get it done today.
I will do it today, Your Honor.
Sure.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate your time.
And Mr. Cole Nettles?
What case is that for?
Your Honor, I've got 3 cases with the court today. The first one would be Spencer Davis.
What page is that on?
Let's see. Page 4 of your docket, Your Honor.
Okay, is your client here?
Yes, sir. He is on Zoom right now.
Okay. What do you need, or what's the problem?
For this case, Your Honor, I have conferred with the state, and we're going to be submitting. I intended to submit this yesterday, so the court could sign it today. Just an order for blood discovery on this case.
Okay, well, have you submitted it?
I have not, Your Honor. I've been in trial in County Court 4. We just
Okay, you're not
deliberating right now.
You're not excused to submit it. All right, on next.
Yes, sir. The next one I have is Hugo Guerrero. And actually, bailiff, is he on Zoom?
I don't see his name.
Your Honor, Mr. Guerrero's case was being transferred to the Veterans Treatment Court, and we were expecting it to have been transferred already. I think there was a holdup with his application, but it has been submitted, and we do expect it to be transferred to county.
Is he on Zoom?
He is not on right now, Your Honor.
All right, it's going to be a bond forfeiture. All right,
Yes, sir. I will notify the court once he is on.
Okay.
And then finally, Your Honor, I have Trenton Jake Yeary, and he is on Zoom.
Okay.
And that will be the same as with Spencer Davis, Your Honor. I've conferred with the state, and we're going to be submitting an order for blood discovery on that one.
All right. You're not excused until you do. All right, and neither are your clients. All right, we'll do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Vanessa Garcia?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Alrighty, so I have a few here today with you, about 5 cases. The first one is Robert Duvall, cause number 633-548, and that is on page 2.
Okay, is he here?
He should be here, Your Honor. Mr. Duvall, can you please announce?
Yes. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, sir. Okay, what are you doing on that?
On that one, Your Honor, we do need to confer with the state.
Okay. Next.
On the second one, it's Felipe Landon, cause number 647-997. He is on page 3. He is also present, and that one has a felony pending, so we would need time to confer with the felony prosecutor on that case.
All right, I'll set that one for December. Is he here? First of all.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, December 6th.
Thank you. The next one is Daniel Caballero, cause number 656-181. That one is on page 4, and I do need to confer with the state on that case.
And he's present.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, talk to him.
Alrighty, and then the fourth one is Mr. Christopher Gill. He is present. That is cause number 666741. It is on page 7, and I will be conferring with the state on that one.
Okay, great. All right, let me have to confer. Let me know.
Alrighty, and then last but not least, Your Honor, Gene Prado, he is here present on page 7, and I will confer with the state on that one as well.
Okay.
So Ms. Garcia, you would go to the conference city and we'll put you in a breakout room.
I'm sorry, what was that? It broke up a little bit, Elena.
Oh, the break, have the bailiff sit you where, so you can go and confer.
Thank you.
Okay, the next one would be Miss Lee.
Yes. I am showing up actually for Jim because he has in person today. And it's on Nathaniel Green with an L. Apparently he has well, he's got 3 felonies pending, and he also I just got out of County Court 13. He has that case pending also, and he's in the ER. We're working on getting documents, but the judge allowed him to show up next Thursday, or if he's still sick, to then, get those documents for proof that he's in the
I
ER.
need the documents today, or it's a bond forfeiture.
Okay. All right. I'll work on that. Can I work on that and then get back with you? If I don't have them, then I'll let them know it's going to be a bond forfeiture.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Ms. Morgan, did you have an announcement for the judge?
Yes, ma'am. Judge, my clients are both still present, Mr. Gallegos and Mr. Mallory. I did confer with the state. Mr. Lowry informed me that he is going to get a copy of the blood order on Saul Gallegos and send that to DPS. So hopefully I get that within 30 days. And then he's also sent a follow-up email on the video in Mr. Gallegos' case, asking when it can be received. I'm expecting that within 30 days.
Why can't he get it to you tomorrow? Those.
It's Bear County.
Bear
It's the
County
sheriff's
can't
deputy.
do it? Why does it take so long?
I don't know.
Why does it take so long, Mr. Lara? Or is he there?
He's probably in the breakout room.
Okay. Well, on the blood stuff, I'll give you till December 6th, but the other stuff, there's no reason I can't turn it over this week. None.
Do you want me to go back and ask him to try and get it to me this week?
Yeah.
Send him an email right now. Name on Mr. Mallory on the drug test discovery. He is
Mr. Ross Brendel.
Wait a minute, I'm still talking to Miss Morgan.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Problem. Go ahead, Miss Morgan. I lost you, Miss Morgan. Can't
the
hear you.
same on Mr. Mallory. Mr. Lowry sending that to DPS, and I'll have those breath test records, I think, this week.
Okay, December 6th on that one as well. Okay.
May they be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Just let me know about the other stuff. We can figure out what's going on. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Real quick, Judge, may Mr. Sosa be excused while I'm waiting to confer?
No. No.
All right, so the next one is Ross Brendel.
My case number is for my client Sierra Campbell is 659732. I talked to the prosecutor yesterday, and there's no
here?
videos.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yes,
Okay.
she's here.
Mhm.
And there looks like they're making a request for some additional discovery. So we'd like a reset so that they can do that.
Well, talk to them. I want to know when they're going to get the discovery. No, not excused until we find out what's going on. There's no reason you can't get discovery now.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll talk to them. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Can we go down to hangar 3?
Your Honor, may I be placed in a breakout room with the state? I had to sign off the court's computer and come on my phone.
Sure.
Thank you.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Is there a DA, a Kristen? I don't know the last name.
There's only one DA and it's Lowry.
That's her. Last name is Lowry. Yes.
Yes.
Can I get in line and talk to her?
It's a him.
Please?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. To talk to him.
I have the paperwork on Hernandez, Bettis Hernandez.
I'm here for Pettis Hernandez. We just need the interpreter, Your Honor.
Do we have the interpreter, Ms. Castillo?
Your Honor, we have her on standby. I just need a prosecutor to be available for this.
Okay, we're gonna wait around a few minutes, Mr. Jaime, and as soon as we get a prosecutor and the thing.
Thank you, Judge. And we also have Mayberry as well. That paperwork should be with the court.
I'll look and see if I got it. Hold on.
If I may, Judge. Everybody, this is the deputy of the court. Please remember that you are in a court of law. Conduct yourself as if you are inside this courtroom. No smoking. Take your hats off. Keep your cameras still. It is very distracting for others in the room. Thank you.
We run back and get some coffee.
Lita, this is Ashley Morgan. Are you there?
Judge
Who
will
are you
return
asking
shortly.
for?
Miss Alita, I'm asking for you.
Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am.
Do you know which breakout room Mr. Lowry is in? I'm gonna send him an email about the video. But I went to breakout room 2. He's not there. But can you put me back in his breakout room?
Want me to put him in real quick?
If you don't mind, that'd be great.
And he's busy, so you may want to just pop in and out.
Thank you.
Mhm.
And Miss Castillo, Anthony Bancroft showing up a little late this morning.
Okay, Mr. Bancroft, thank you for joining us. The judge should be here shortly, and I will announce your name and get you.
Okay, I was hoping to speak with Brett and get the conferring out of the way.
Okay, well, Brett is out for this week, and it's just Mr. Lowry.
Oh.
And, so we'll be getting some other state ADAs to help out. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can put you online, but is your client here?
Yes, he is.
His name is?
Yes, ma'am, I'm
here.
Alita.
I'll be right with you.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Everybody, please stay muted until you are recognized. Then you can make your announcements. Thank you.
Was that you, Mr. Limon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, sir.
Well, I had, my client's not very technically savvy, computer savvy, so I had a feeling he's having some difficulties with the Spanish paperwork, with the paperwork. I'm gonna have him drive to my office, so that might take him, 15, 20 minutes to get there. So I don't know if, I don't mind, I don't know, just let me know, I guess, if we're taking too long and we need to reset for a couple of days. Otherwise, we're gonna try to get it, done within the next 30, 45 minutes.
If you like, I can go ahead and put you on a breakout room with your client. Will he be able to go into a breakout room, and then I can invite the interpreter to come in with y'all?
That might help.
Or you'd rather have him go to your office so everything will be.
It's just the filling out of the actual paperwork that I think he struggled with it with me and for the English paperwork, and yeah, I don't have a lot of faith in his ability to get that done over a Zoom call. So I think it's best if he just comes in, if that's okay.
Mr. Limon is requesting a few more minutes because his client is going to drive up to his office so that he can fill out the plea paperwork.
Oh, sure. No problem at all.
We'll be
Okay.
here, Mr. Limon.
Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Judge, this is Ashley Morgan again. I'm back with an update on the video.
Okay.
Mr. Lowry said he sent the email before I left the breakout room, and he's hoping it will be up there tonight. So what had happened is whenever their paralegals or whoever uploads the video, they labeled it as a body cam, and it's not a body cam. So they just have to go back and grab the right body cam and throw it up there. So he's hoping it'll be tonight.
All right. Well, we set it to December 6th. All right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the deputy. Hugo Guerrero, Mr. Nettles' client, has logged in. You were waiting for him to.
Okay,
mark as
great.
present.
Mr. Nettles, is he here? Yeah, there he is. Okay, what are we gonna do in your case, Mr. Nettle?
For this case, Your Honor, we have submitted an application to the Veterans Treatment Court, and it has, I believe, been accepted. We're just waiting for it to be officially
All
transferred
right.
over.
Well, we're saying for December 6th. Hopefully, we'll have it all resolved by then.
All right, thank you, sir. And then for those other two cases, I just submitted the order for the court to sign with the clerk's office.
Okay, then you're free to go.
All right, thank you. I made my clients be
December,
excused. Your Honor.
we're setting it for December 14th on those.
December 14th?
Yes, sir. Hopefully, we'll have all your information by then.
Yes, sir. And then may my clients be excused as well?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, can I approach on my two cases? It's Angela Blake.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, I've got page 4 and 6. Mr. Darian Todd and Amelia Rodriguez would like to send them both for trial.
Okay, then January 6th, 10th is the trial dates. Have you gotten all
January
your
10th.
discovery?
The state is still getting me some videos on Todd.
Okay, no, then I need you to go talk to him, find out when you're gonna get the videos. You're not excused.
Okay, Judge.
You can't
So
go
can
to
I do
trial without your discovery, right?
Right. Well, this is based on his idea that it would force them to make sure they have all the videos.
You can't announce ready for trial unless you don't want the discovery. And then you can put that on the record that you do not want the discovery and you're ready for trial.
I do want the discovery. Can we put Mr. Todd
Okay.
on another trial, pre-trial docket then?
All right, December 6th.
December 6th. And then for Mr. Rodriguez, January 10th, you said?
Is he gonna have a trial? Has he got all the discovery?
Yes, that one I have all the discovery.
All right. January 10th.
January 10th. Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Turner, are you ready to approach the judge?
Yes, sure. I am. Yes.
Okay, what's up?
Good morning, Your Honor. Okay, so I've conferred with the prosecutor on Esteban Garcia. He's made me a plea offer. I just need to get information from my client and we can probably reset this for a plea. And that's on Esteban Garcia. What's his case number? I'm sorry.
Okay, why don't we do it next week then?
Next week? Okay.
What, Tuesday? Is that all right, Ms. Castillo?
That's fine, Your Honor.
Tuesday, set it for a play.
Okay. And then on Isaiah Thomas, I don't know if he's logged in yet. I do know I have an offer and my client is going to accept it. He wasn't able to log in and I've been trying to get a hold of him, Your Honor. I don't know if he's logged in yet.
Okay, it's a bond forfeiture.
All right. If I can get him to log in sometime today.
We won't have a bond forfeiture. You can do it before I leave for the day, which is about noonish, so get it done.
I'll try. May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Judge, they may have forgot about me in that breakout room, but I have a hearing at 11 in another Bexar County court. So it's coming up here in 5 minutes. So
Okay.
I was, sir,
Okay.
sorry. Okay.
Just your client's not excused. You can go about whatever you're doing. Client just waits.
Okay. Do you want me I can call the prosecutor later today and get that definite date?
You can call him all you want. You and your client are not excused until you talk to me after you talk to the prosecutor.
Okay. Thank you.
May I approach?
Yes.
Hi, Judge. This is Linda. I was in a breakout room waiting for a prosecutor, but nobody ever came. I just want to make sure I was in the right place. I've been in there for about 30 minutes. So, I mean, there may be a line, but.
I couldn't tell you. Talk to Miss Castillo.
Your Honor, there is a line and
Okay.
Ms. Corley, it should be like 2 other persons in front of her.
That's perfectly okay. I just want to make sure I was in the right place. Thank you.
Sure.
Judge, may I approach back from a breakout room, Joseph Stateson?
Yes, sir.
On Claudia Lee, page 7, cause number 667021. I confer with ADA Christian Lowry. They had notes about requesting the video, the surveillance, the assault allegedly was captured on video. We know it exists. They're making one more effort to contact the complainant to see if they can obtain it. Offer to come at next setting. We just asked for 2 or 3 week setting to get an offer and see if video exists.
Okay, 1 week. Ms. Castillo, give him 1 week, please.
October 28th, Your Honor.
Okay, great.
Got it. May my client and I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Has all the docket been called yet? Because I don't see my attorney online at all.
Who's your attorney?
Jonathan Ross?
I have not seen him yet. So hang on, maybe he'll be calling on the phone.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Valentine, you're here to announce to the court.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Judge. I've got two cases today, Cecilia Davila and Andrea Acevedo. I'd like to confer on those if you have a prosecutor available.
Yeah, are they present?
I know Ms. Davila is.
Yeah, I see her. Okay, and the other?
And yes, Andrea Acevedo is present.
Okay, yeah, I see her too. Okay. I'll wait in line and Mr. Lara will speak to you, sir.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Yes,
I've called him multiple times, over 4 times, and he doesn't answer me. So I think he's stuck in another court. But I just want to confirm that this is the correct court that I'm supposed to be in.
okay, hold on, let me look.
My name is Justin Guerra.
Okay, hold on, sir. I'll look, check it.
He's on page 7, Your Honor. He is to be here.
Okay, you're in the right place.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Mr. Sedna, are you ready to make an announcement to the court?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, later.
What's up, Mr. Turner?
Judge, yeah, we'd like to set it for a plea.
Okay, what kind, how long is it gonna take you to do?
He just needs to take a DUI education course, which wouldn't take long at all, Judge. So I would say within 30 days.
All right, December 6th.
December 6th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect, Judge. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Mhm.
Okay, looks like Mr. Fox and his client should be in.
Yes, we're here. Good morning, Judge.
What's up?
We have a plea set today, Judge. I think all paperwork's been submitted. Seems like there's always something missing, but I think we got everything.
What's your client's name, Mr. Fox?
It's Jordan Hill, Your Honor.
I don't have it. Message just came in.
It's possible. I think part of it was completed early this morning, so it may still be in the ether somewhere.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm back from the breakout room.
Okay,
And so I am here on the 5 cases that I do need resets on.
mhm. And,
And so on the first one, Robert Duvall, we are looking for discovery. We had just received the video, so I do need time to review those.
okay, December 6th,
I apologize, Your Honor. My connection just disconnected already. What was that?
December 6th,
Thank you. And then on Mr. Caballero, I do need to work on mitigation with my client. So if we can get a reset on that case as well.
December 6th,
Would it be December 6th for the other 2 as well, Mr. Gill and Mr. Prado?
yes, yes, ma'am, all of them.
Thank you, Your Honor. May my clients and I be excused?
Yes, ma'am,
Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.
you too.
Hello, judges, deputy.
Yes,
In the
sir.
courtroom, I have Jerry Valdez, counselor for Carlos Garcia, page 4, 652-972.
Okay. And
I'm here, Judge Carlos Garcia.
okay. Gary, what we're gonna do?
Morning, Judge. The state was gonna look into this about obtaining some videos. If not, they might consider dismissing it.
What does that mean? They're getting to get their own videos or what?
No, they're trying to get videos from the place of the establishment, Judge, from, I think it was Home Depot.
Okay, and where are they gonna get them? When are they gonna get them?
Oh, they were supposed to have gotten them last time, but they reset it for this session to see if they could obtain them.
Talk to them.
This is-
Talk to the pro.
Sorry, Judge. This is the third time that they've said they can't find the video.
Okay, talk to the prosecutor.
And how you doing, Judge?
I'm doing okay, I hope. No,
You look good.
yeah, no, thank you. It's old man.
I know I'm fighting with my doctor. I have a stress test in the morning, so. So you don't hear from me the rest of the week. I croaked on the treadmill.
Yeah. Talk to them, see what they do. Maybe they'll dismiss it. Maybe, you know.
Okay, let me. I get on my phone. Talk to me.
Judge, this is Linda Corley. I'm ready to announce when you're ready for me.
Yes, ma'am. What's up?
I have two case clients today. The first one is Andrew Zuniga. His case number is 657947.
Okay.
And we are waiting on some videos that our ADA is going to request for us. So if we could get a reset on that.
When are they gonna get them for you?
I would hope to have them by 30 days. I think that'd probably be sufficient.
How come it takes so long to get videos? I don't understand.
I don't know. Oh, you know what? Let me go back in with Chris. I want to touch base with him on one other issue, Judge. I'm sorry.
That's fine.
Judge, this is Jaime Aldape. I'm just touching in. Are we getting an interpreter?
I have no idea. I know one was requested. I found that out this morning before you even came on. I don't see her anywhere.
Your Honor, they are on standby. Mr. Aldape, do you need that interpreter in right now so that you can be talking to her and your client?
Yeah, why don't we do that? And then as soon as you're ready, Mr. Aldape, we'll do it. Okay?
We're ready. And Judge, I also have another client who's here ready with the plea paperwork. I have a SID number.
I don't have it. I'd be glad to do it. The only one I have is the Spanish one.
Later, I've got Donovan Mayberry. Yeah, if they could put me in the room with Lorenzo Perez Hernandez with the interpreter, we could go ahead and get that done, Judge.
Okay, talk to him and then come back. I can do it. I got that and nothing else.
Yeah, I think all she has to do, I've prepped him. He's ready to do the plea. He just needs to know how to change the translation on his app, and then we're ready.
All right.
Leader, can you put me on the DA?
Mr. Vincent Sosa, if you are working, please stop, sir. Move to a break room. I think we've had this issue before. You're in a open session of court. Please conduct yourself as if you were in my courtroom, please.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I think
Yes, ma'am.
I think I really am ready to announce now. Okay, so on Zuniga, the 657-947 on the videos, we should be able to get them within 30 days. We do know they're there, and I believe they have been requested prior, but they just, for some reason, haven't sent them over to the DA's office. But I know Chris usually gets on this stuff pretty good. So, and I'll be corresponding with them through email as well on the case.
All right, December 6th.
Thank you, Judge. And on Xavier Edwards, case number 666800. I am also waiting on, and I've just requested it, some tow records and also 911 and dispatch communications from a witness. And so Chris was going to request that as well. Can I have the same date on both and I can come back at the same time?
December 6th, that's fine.
Okay, terrific. Thank you, Judge. I believe my clients are logged in. Can we all be excused?
I see Mr. Edwards, and who is the other one?
Zuniga.
There
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Zuniga, are you there?
Yeah, he's there.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, they're both excused. Mr.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Edwards, y'all are excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. I was on the phone with Mr. Kenacre, Longacre, and Kenneth. So we're good to go tomorrow at 1:30 for a jury selection.
Okay.
Okay.
I talked with the prosecutor in my case on Sierra Campbell, 659732, and he said that he did request it prior to yesterday. So depending on the speed of the mail, hopefully it gets here soon. Do you just want me to come back, in a couple of days just to check in again?
Why don't you check next Thursday, next Wednesday?
Okay.
Next Wednesday.
And if is there any way we could just come Wednesday?
Yeah, next Wednesday.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. Are we free to go?
Yes, sir.
Me and my client. Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, can I be in a breakout room with a prosecutor, please?
Fine with me. I'm not running this, so.
Yep, same here.
Later, can you put me with the interpreter and Perez Hernandez?
And later, it's John Fox. Are you able to check and see if the Jordan Hill paperwork was received by you guys? On his end, it gives him a confirmation that it was sent, but
Mr. Lorenzo Perez, I'm gonna be putting you in a breakout room.
Está muy bien.
Alita, hi, Randall Griner checking in. I just got finished with County Court 6.
Okay, you have an announcement for the judge?
Actually, I'm gonna need to speak to the client through the interpreter. So,
Mr. Griner, is this Rico Gomez?
yes,
Okay, so I'll put you in a breakout room with your client, Rico Gomez, and then the interpreter is busy right now, and then she'll go in there with you.
okay. And my announcement to the judge is, hi, Judge.
Hi, Ronnie.
Your Honor, Anthony Bancroft, reporting a little late this morning.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I'm here on cause number 652-833 and 635-017. I was detained in jail court. I have been waiting in conference room, waiting for the prosecutor in your court. I haven't been able to speak with him yet, but I've got another matter of presiding that I have to report back on as to what we're going to do before noon.
Where are your clients? Are they here?
My client is here, Your Honor. His name is Xavier Gonzalez. He has been here since 10 o'clock.
I'm here, Judge.
Okay. That's fine. You can go, your client can't go.
Very well, Judge. I'll be back in as quickly as I can. If it hits the lunch hour, do you want me to return at 1:15?
No, sir, I want you to come back as soon as you can.
Yes, Judge.
Good morning, Judge. I was able to confer with Mr. Lowry on Mr. Sosa's case regarding the video.
Yes, sir.
They've made requests. They don't have a timeline on when it'll be available.
What kind of
made
video?
an offer. I'll convey it to my client. We're just going to be asking for a reset at this point.
Okay, what kind of video are we talking about?
All the video, Judge. Dash cam, body cam.
Okay, December 6th.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Fox. I'm gonna send you to a breakout room and then let Mr. Laurie know that the plea paperwork has been signed by you and your client, but is still pending the judge. It had gone to Judge Saldaña. So it's still like waiting. So if you could just tell them to fix it to go to Judge Angelini and it'll go right away, okay?
Tell the ADA that. Okay.
Yeah, they're the one that are sending the paperwork.
Okay, I will.
Okay, I'll put you in a breakout room, sir. Mr. Griner, are you? You're just
Elena,
waiting?
yeah, I don't need an interpreter. This was the first time I've been able to talk to the client. I had to reach out to his bail bondsman to get him to come down there and show up in court this morning. So what I'm going to ask is just for another pretrial, give me a chance to go over the facts and the discovery with the client.
December 6th.
Pardon me?
December 6th.
Thank you, Judge. May we be
Sure.
excused?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
You ready, Jaime?
I'm ready, Judge. If Elena could have him leave the breakout room or take him out. He's having a hard time leaving the breakout room, Judge.
Charging indecent exposure. Okay. Just give me time.
It's going to be taken in consideration the older case and 8 months probation on the newer case.
The newer case is 66955, 663955.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. We have the interpreter, my Carmen.
How are you, Your Honor?
I'm okay, thank you. Your client.
I think the only one who can take him out is Aleda because she's the host.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
are we going to enable the interpretation function or should we do it consecutively?
We can do it consecutively. That's fine.
Okay.
There he is, Mr. Pettis, Lorenzo Pettis.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right, y'all ready? This is cause number 663955.
Esta es la causa número 663955.
Yeah, I think we still need a prosecutor.
Shit. Excuse me. Sorry about the language.
And I can swear the witness if you would
we
like.
can be patient.
You can swear her, the witness.
I know, but I need her interpreter. I'm gonna do that. I'll do it.
Your Honor, he's got about 5 more people. Do you want him to come in real quick?
I
and
need to
take
come in
this?
right now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Judge, while you're waiting, can I give you an announcement?
Sure. What's up?
on Jesse Mendoza. I spoke to him about the lab work, the blood discovery, and they're still waiting on it, so we just need another reset for him.
Okay, if you submitted, asked for it, right?
Yes.
On December 6th.
All right, thank you. Can we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Guess the prosecutor didn't want to participate.
We're not opposed if they want to dismiss the charges, Judge.
Me neither. I ought to just take the whole docket and do it. Make it go faster. We gotta get out of this Zoom business. It just takes too long. Things can be fixed when they're done live, right then and there.
Yeah.
Several people here have told me they have pleas, and I don't have any paperwork. Nothing. They said they've done it, and
Life isn't that easy, apparently.
not now.
We'll be here shortly, so sorry.
Okay, Ms. Lowry's here. All right, we'll start again. This is cause number 663955. The state of Texas versus. Oh God, now my phone is screwing up here.
Lorenzo Pérez Hernández.
Esta es la causa 663955, el estado de Texas contra Lorenzo
All
Pérez
right,
Hernández.
hold on. The whole thing is screwed up on my phone now. Let me try again. Are you Lorenzo Pérez Hernández?
¿Es usted Lorenzo Pérez Hernández?
Answer yes or no.
Señor, conteste sí o no.
You need to unmute yourself.
Tiene que quitarse, aprieta el micrófono, está en silencio.
Oh, okay.
Are you Lorenzo
Yes.
Pérez Hernández?
¿Es usted Lorenzo Pérez Hernández?
Sí, soy yo.
Yes, that's
Raise
me.
your right hand.
Por favor, levante su mano derecha.
Do you solemnly swear that you tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
¿Usted jura solemnemente que dirá la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad? ¿Lo jura por Dios?
Sí, lo juro por Dios.
Yes, I swear to God.
Okay. Are you the same Mr. Lorenzo Pérez Hernández is charged with indecent exposure? Is that you?
¿Es usted el mismo Lorenzo Pérez Hernández quien está acusado de exhibicionismo? ¿Ese es usted?
Sí, soy yo.
Yes, that's me.
Okay, Mr. Aldape, before we get started, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under discovery rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
Antes de proseguir, licenciado Aldape, ¿usted cree que ha recibido todo lo que tiene derecho de acuerdo a las pruebas de evidencia? Sí, su señoría.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
De Estado, ¿ustedes han cumplido con lo prescrito en el artículo 39.14 del Código de Procedimiento Penal? Sí, su señoría.
Okay, I have some papers here from your attorney in the district attorney's office. Have you read these papers?
Tengo documentos aquí de la fiscalía y de que su abogado. ¿Usted ha leído estos documentos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you Did you sign these papers?
¿Usted firmó estos documentos?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were giving up your rights to a jury trial?
¿Usted entendió, señor, que al leer y firmar estos documentos, usted estaba renunciando a su derecho a un juicio con jurado?
Sí.
Yes.
Did anyone force you or make you give up your rights?
¿Alguien lo forzó a renunciar a sus derechos?
No.
No.
Then, how do you plead to this offense, sir?
¿Cómo se declara este delito?
Ya.
Recuerdo que le dijo no me opongo.
No me opongo.
No contest.
Do you understand that a no contest plea is not going to help you?
¿Usted entiende que declararse no me opongo no lo va a ayudar?
Sí.
Yes.
It has the same legal effect as a guilty plea.
Tiene los mismos efectos legales que declararse culpable.
Do you understand that?
¿Usted entiende eso?
Sí.
Yes.
So do you still wish to plead no contest?
¿Aún desea declararse no me opongo?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay.
Está bien.
All right, then I'm going to find this plea is voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation on this?
Resuelvo que esta declaración se hace voluntariamente. Estado, ¿cuál es su recomendación?
A $250 fine, court costs, 180 days over 8 months probated, 80 hours of community service, and no contact order with the locations. And the state will be taking into consideration case number 658860.
180 días suspendidos por 6 meses, una multa de $250 más costos del tribunal, 80 horas de servicio a la comunidad, ni no tener una orden de no contacto con todos los lugares donde ocurrieron estos incidentes. Y el Estado desechará la causa número 658860.
Is that your understanding?
¿Así es como usted entiende el acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Aldapa, is that your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor. When appropriate, I would like to state something for the record as well regarding his immigration status.
Okay.
Licenciado Aldape, así es como entiende el acuerdo, sí, su señoría, y cuando sea oportuno quisiera declarar algo en acta respecto a su estatus migratorio.
Before I go forward, I need to know what locations we're talking about.
Antes de seguir adelante, necesito saber de qué lugares estamos hablando.
State, you all know, Mr. Aldapa?
The address,
O el licenciado Aldape, la dirección
the 100 block of Circle Drive.
es la cuadra número 100 de Circle Drive.
Universal City, Texas, 78148.
En Universal City, Texas, 78148.
Okay, then I'm going to sentence you, sir, to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail and probate it for 8 months.
Entonces lo voy a sentenciar, señora, 180 días de cárcel en la cárcel del condado de Bexar, suspendido durante 8 meses.
I'm going to fine you $250 or do you pay court costs?
Le impongo una multa de $250 más costos del tribunal.
I'm going to order that you do 80 hours of community service.
Le ordeno que realice 80 horas de servicio a la comunidad.
I'm going to take consideration when I punish you 658860.
Cuando le imponga el castigo, le voy a tomar en consideración, o sea, desechar la causa número 658860.
As part of your conditions of probation, you're to have no contact with 100 Circle Drive, Universal City, 78148.
Y como parte de su libertad, de los términos, usted no puede tener contacto en la cuadra 100 de Circle Drive en Universal City, código postal 78148.
Sí, está muy bien.
That's fine.
Okay. Is that it, Mr. Aldapa and Mr.
Your Honor, the only thing I wanted to add was that prior to the plea, I gave him the specific details of the offer. I advised him to contact an immigration attorney because he's a Mexican national. And I can pause so she can.
Thank you. Su señoría, nada más quisiera que conste en actas que yo le dije los detalles del acuerdo, del convenio declaratorio, y también que contactara a un abogado de migración respecto a su situación migratoria, debido a que él es un ciudadano mexicano.
Okay. And that this plea was done after he has consulted with an immigration attorney, Judge.
Y que él se declaró, esta declaración se llevó a cabo después de que él habló con un abogado de migración.
Okay, Mr. Lorenzo Perez Hernandez, let me warn you, sir, that this plea could end up with you being expelled from this country, denied naturalization under federal laws.
Señor Pérez Hernández, déjeme le advierto que declararse este convenio declaratorio puede resultar en que lo expulsen de este país o le nieguen la naturalización conforme a la ley federal.
You understand that?
¿Usted entiende eso?
Ok, sí, pero le iba a decir, yo soy residente de aquí de Estados Unidos.
Okay, yes, but I was going to tell you, I'm a resident, a U.S. resident.
Yes, but do you understand that this conviction or in this probation could result in your being expelled from this country?
Sí, pero usted entiende que este convenio declaratorio, esta condena puede resultar en que lo saquen del país?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. And you could be denied naturalization under our federal laws.
Y que de acuerdo a la ley federal le pueden negar la naturalización.
Do you understand that?
¿Usted entiende eso?
Sí, su señoría.
Yes, Your Honor.
And so do you still want to go forward with your plea in this plea bargain that you got?
¿Y usted aún así que desea proceder con este convenio declaratorio?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Then Mr. Aldapi, or Mr. Lorenzo Perez Hernandez, you need to stay on, talk to the probation department, Mr. Richardson, and I guess the interpreter as well. Okay.
Entonces, señor Lorenzo Aldape, por favor, quédese porque tiene que hablar con el funcionario de libertad condicional, el señor Richardson, y también, por favor, que se quede la intérprete.
Sí, está muy bien. Gracias.
That is fine. Thank you.
All right. Y'all are excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge. And if I could have Leda send the plea paperwork for Donovan Mayberry to the judge, please.
Thanks, Your Honor.
Your Honor, are we ready to proceed on another plea, or should I jump back in and confer with somebody and then jump back out?
I don't know. Yeah, go ahead and talk to him because I don't know what's going on. What's funny, you still there, Mr.
Yep.
Howery? Remember you sent me all that stuff yesterday? Yesterday about 1 o'clock, I got all kinds of stuff from you, all that stuff that I signed in person. And Corey had sent me a bunch of stuff too, but it just all came in at the same time, about 1. I have no idea why. It just did. Weird. This
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't either. This Adobe stuff is weird. Just comes and goes.
Your Honor, Anthony Bancroft's back in your courtroom, and I'd love to confer with Mr. Lowry.
Okay, Mr. Lowry's got a bunch of other people he's talking to. Just get in line.
Very well, Judge. Standing by.
Hey, Aleda, I'm back. Oh, there's the link.
Excuse me, Mr. Jordan Hill, can you please sit up straight? Thank you.
Aleda, can I talk to the state about my case, please?
Yes, sir, right away.
Thank you.
¿Ya me puedo retirar, su señoría?
Excuse me, are we in the middle of a hearing right now, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
No, we're not.
Okay, well, were we too late? Did we get the paperwork ready too late for Mr. Jose Arevalo, or did you want to get him plead out today?
Yeah, you got it done, but I don't have it. No.
Did the
So
state,
I have
was the state gonna send it to you?
Arevalo. Is it Jose Arevalo?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have it.
You do have it?
Yes, sir. We can do it as soon as the prosecutor gets back.
Okay, great. Thank you, Judge. I don't think I've had the pleasure, Your Honor. I'm Attorney Thomas Limon. It's good to meet you, sir.
It's a pleasure to meet you, sir. And I have, I think, a Hill, I think. Oh, is your client, Mr. Limon, he's a Spanish speaker?
He is, Your Honor. Do we still have the interpreter here today?
Yeah, but I think she's in the breakout room, I think. Is she still
I
there?
think she's left, but I'll bring her right back so
Okay.
it can go in there.
I have a Jordan Hill as well. Whose client is that? John Fox? I have that. We need a prosecutor.
Your Honor, excuse me, Thomas Placer, do you have Michael Smith's paperwork?
No, let me look. I don't think so. No, sir.
I'll check with the legal, sir, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Limon, I will be putting you in a breakout room and the interpreter will be going in shortly.
Thank you so much.
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
I don't think we're having any luck getting you paperwork on this, on Mr. Hill. Would it be possible, everything has been submitted, but
Jordan Hill?
on Jordan Hill, right?
I have it.
Oh, you do have it? Oh, okay. Christian never came for me to tell him, but I emailed him. He must have got that.
Yeah, he got it, but we can't do it without him, and he's stuck in a room
Oh,
talking to him.
okay. All right.
Robert, what are we gonna do on your case? Are we gonna do it much express or what?
We just got an offer, Judge, and I think we're gonna talk to her. Hopefully, we can work it out. Can we reset it to
Yeah, we'll reset it for December 6th.
December 6th? Okay, Judge, thank you.
Be sure and tell the state so that.
Yeah, no, they know, they know.
Okay, all right.
Mhm.
Mr. Blasier, looks like you have signed the documents, but your client has not signed the document as of yet. So Mr. Michael Smith needs to sign. Once he starts clicking away, what he needs to do at the very far end, it'll go automatically to the judge. So Mr. Smith, if you can look for that email and start signing. Thank you. Mr. Blasier, did you want me to put you in a breakout room so you can go over that document with him?
Yeah, I thought we signed it yesterday. I'll talk to him. I have his phone number. I'll talk to him the old fashioned way.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. Hey, Mike. It didn't go through yesterday or?
let me try to pull Mr. Laurie to come do a plea. Is that okay, Judge?
Yes, please. That'd be great.
Your Honor, if you give me the case number, I'm ready to go on the next plea.
I'm sorry, who was talking to me?
That was Chris, the ADA.
Okay. Let's start with, do we have the interpreter?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay. Let me get that one first. Jose Arevalo?
Jose Arevalo?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. This is 647-839.
Esta es la causa 647-839.
State versus Jose Arevalo.
El Estado contra José Arevalo.
Would you raise your right hand, sir?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, señor?
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
¿Usted jura solemnemente decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad? ¿Lo jura por Dios?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. Are you the same Mr. Arevalo who's charged with striking an unintended vehicle?
¿Es usted el mismo José Arevalo quien está acusado de golpear un vehículo desatendido?
Sí, claro.
Yes, sure.
All right. Before we start, Mr. Limon, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our discovery rules?
Yes, sir.
Antes de seguir adelante, abogado Limón, ¿usted cree que ha recibido todo lo que tiene derecho de acuerdo a las reglas de pruebas? Sí, su señoría.
State, have you complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Estado, ¿ustedes han cumplido con lo prescrito por el artículo 39.14 del Código de Procedimientos Penales? Sí, su señoría.
Okay. First of all, Mr. Arevalo, are you a citizen of the United States?
Antes que nada, señor Arevalo, ¿es usted ciudadano de los Estados Unidos?
No.
No.
Do you understand, sir, that if you plead guilty or found guilty or plead no contest or deferred adjudication in any respect, do you understand that you could be expelled from this country?
¿Usted entiende, señor, que declararse culpable o que lo encuentren culpable o no me opongo, cualquier tipo de un fallo diferido puede resultar en que lo expulsen de este país?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down, sir.
Puede bajar la mano, señor.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Understand also, you could be denied naturalization under our federal laws. You understand?
Y usted también entiende que de acuerdo a la ley federal a usted se le puede negar la naturalización. ¿Entiende eso?
Sí, sí entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
And Mr. Limon, have you talked to your client about any immigration consequences he may have in this case?
Y licenciado Limón, ¿usted ha hablado con su cliente acerca de cualquier consecuencia migratoria que pueda resultar de este caso?
Yes, sir, I have. He's informed me that he's talked to an immigration attorney about the charge and the offer.
Sí, su señoría. Él me informó que consultó a un abogado de migración y le habló acerca de esta declaración y del el caso y la oferta.
All right. I have some papers here from the district attorney's office and your attorney. Have you read these papers?
Tengo papeles aquí de la fiscalía y de su abogado. ¿Usted ha leído estos papeles?
No.
No.
Can you read English or Spanish?
¿Usted sabe leer en inglés o español?
Sí.
Yes.
Well, then you need to read these papers.
Entonces tiene que leer estos papeles.
I read them to him, sir.
Yo se los leí a él.
I understand that. I want him to read them.
Entiendo eso, pero quiero que él los lea.
And Mr. Arevalo, after you read them, as you're reading them, if you have any questions, then you can talk to your attorney about them and then come back and see me after you've read these papers.
Y señor Arevalo, si está leyendo y tiene alguna pregunta mientras lee estos documentos, hable con su abogado, el licenciado Limón, y puede venir conmigo ante mí después de que haya leído estos documentos.
Está bien.
And
That's
Your
fine.
Honor, I just wanted, this is Chris, I wanted to mention that there was a Spanish edition of the plea paperwork sent out as well.
I got that, but he's got to read one or the other.
Su señoría, nada más que soy Chris Lowry por el Estado y nada más mencionar que se envió una copia de estos papeles en español. Sí, está bien, pero quiero que lea una u otra.
Unless he cannot read any language.
A menos de que él no pueda leer en ningún idioma.
I understand, Your Honor. That's fair enough. Would you like us to get that done within the next 10, 15 minutes?
Yes, sir. We're going to be doing some other pleas. After you get it done, let me know. Okay, we'll wait around for you, sir.
Está bien, si quiere que hagamos eso entre los próximos 10, 15 minutos, sí, los esperamos.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Gracias.
Judge, may I approach?
Sure.
I've conferred with Mr. Lowry, and I think the delay on the paperwork for Donovan Mayberry was that it was sent to Saldaña. I believe it's been sent to you now.
Yes, I have it.
Okay.
Now, let me see what children. How about Jordan Hill? Are we ready on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is cause number 647468. Are you Jordan Hill?
I think you're muted, Jordan.
You need.
Yes, sir.
All right. Would you raise your right hand, Mr. Hill? Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you the same Jordan Hill who is charged with the offense of discharging a firearm in a populated area? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
First of all, Mr. Fox, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under?
Yes, I believe we have under 3914, Your Honor, yes.
Okay, state, have you all complied with 3914, the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Hill, I have some papers here from your attorney and the district attorney's office, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you end up pleading? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you do that?
No, sir.
All right. And how do you plead to this charge, sir?
No contest.
You understand no contest plea does not help at all in misdemeanor court. It
I understand.
It has the same legal effect as pleading guilty. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So do you still wish to plead no contest?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to find this plea is voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
The state recommends $450 fine, probated, court costs, 12 months deferred adjudication, 40 hours community service, motion to forfeit the weapon, an APSE course, and a gun safety course.
So the fine is all probated?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. What's your, Mr. Fox, what's your understanding?
That is our understanding, Your Honor.
All right. I'm not going to fine him in all. He has to pay court costs, 12 months deferred adjudication. The weapon is to be forfeited, APSE course and gun safety course. Good luck to you, sir. You need to stay on and talk to Mr. Richardson there. He's a probation officer.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's good to see you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Be careful.
You too.
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, if I may,
I'm sorry?
it's Thomas Pleasure, Judge, if I might, Alita, your chat's, I can't see your chat. My client's paperwork has been signed by everybody, including the judge. So I think there may be a mistake somewhere along the line.
Well. Okay. I don't know what to tell you. Oh, so.
Michael Smith. Okay. Yeah, the paperwork is ready. So, yeah.
All I've got is a motion, request to, do video conference play. Okay, I signed my Mayberry, but I haven't gotten it back. And Cerrillo, all I got is a request to do away with the GPS or ignition, something like that. That's all I got.
Yes, once the clerk approves it, it'll go right back to you, Your Honor, and
Okay.
it's doing that right now.
All right. I'll wait around.
Your Honor,
Judge, do you have everything for Mayberry?
I signed it. Well, the way that this works, Adobe, I sign it and it goes back into wherever it goes, and then it comes back to me saying completed. I already signed it, but it hadn't come back to me saying completed. So I'm waiting around for it. It's probably lost in space.
Your Honor, we're ready with Arevalo whenever you are, Your Honor.
Okay, let me find it and we'll keep going. All right. We're back on the record on 647-839 State versus Jose Arevalo. Mr. Arevalo, I have some papers here from the district attorney's office and your attorney, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Do we have our interpreter here?
Oh, no, we don't. Sorry.
Just stop for a moment. She'll be right back.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
No problem. That was my fault too. I forgot about it.
I'll take some blame too. Let's choose.
Ah, sí está bien.
Sí.
Gracias.
De nada.
Okay, we're ready with the interpreter.
Okay, she's back. All right, we're back on the record on 647-839, the state versus Jose Arevalo.
Estamos de vuelta en actas en la causa 647-839, el Estado contra José Arevalo.
Mr. Arevalo, I have some papers here from the district attorney's office and your attorney. Have you read them?
Señor Arevalo, tengo aquí documentos de la fiscalía y de su abogado. ¿Usted los ha leído?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you sign these papers?
¿Usted firmó estos papeles?
Claro, sí.
Of course, yes.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were giving up your rights to a jury trial?
¿Usted entiende, señor, que cuando leyó y firmó estos documentos, usted renunció a su derecho a un juicio conjurado?
Sí.
Yes.
Did anyone force you or make you give up your rights to a jury trial?
¿Alguien lo forzó o obligó a renunciar a sus derechos?
No.
No.
Then how do you plead this offense?
¿Cómo se declara a este delito?
No lo pongo.
No lo pongo.
No contest.
You understand that no contest plea in misdemeanor court does not help.
Usted entiende que declararse no me opongo en tribunales de delitos menores no lo ayuda.
Say yes or no.
Yes.
Diga sí o no.
Sí.
Yes.
It has the same legal effect as a guilty plea.
Tiene el mismo efecto legal que declararse culpable.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. Do you still wish to plead no contest knowing that?
¿Aún desea declararse no me opongo sabiendo esto?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. I'm going to find this plea is voluntarily made. Mr. Lowry, what is the plea bargain?
Resuelvo que esta declaración se hizo voluntariamente. Señor Lowry, ¿cuál es la recomendación?
$500 fine, probated,
Una multa de $500 suspendida,
court costs,
costos del tribunal,
8 months deferred adjudication,
un fallo diferido por un periodo de 8 meses,
24 hours community service,
24 horas de servicio a la comunidad,
DWI education.
una clase para quienes manejan bajo los efectos del alcohol,
And there's no restitution.
y no hay restitución.
Okay, Mr. Limon, is that your understanding?
It is my understanding, Your Honor.
Licenciado Limón, ¿así es como entiende usted el acuerdo? Sí, sí, su señoría.
Okay, then I'm going to go along with the plea bargain. I'm not going to fine you, but I'm going to order you to pay court costs. 8 months. Go ahead.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Voy a aceptar
Okay,
el
yeah.
convenio. No le voy a imponer una multa, pero sí le voy a ordenar que pague los costos del tribunal.
Sentence you to 8 months of deferred adjudication.
Lo sentencio a 8 meses de un fallo diferido.
Order that you do 24 hours of community service.
Le ordeno que realice 24 horas de servicio a la comunidad.
And you're to take the DWI education course.
Y usted tiene que tomar la clase para quienes manejan los efectos, bajo los efectos del alcohol.
And you're to stay on and talk to Mr. Richardson so you can understand what your obligations are.
Y tiene que quedarse y hablar con el señor Richardson para que entienda cuáles son sus obligaciones.
And Mr. Lamont, help him get started with that through the interpreter and Mr. Richardson, please.
Y licenciado Limón, por favor, ayúdalo con la asistencia del intérprete y con el señor Richardson.
And Your Honor, may I ask, will he have the option to pay for any of his community service hours? And if so, do you have a recommended place that he does it or a recommended donation?
No, in fact, I don't think we are. I know lawyers, judges do it. I don't think we're entitled, we're allowed to recommend a place.
Su señoría, nada más quisiera preguntar si se le permitiría pagar por sus horas de servicio a la comunidad y si es así, si tiene algún lugar que recomiende. No creo que tengamos nosotros, no se nos permite recomendar lugares.
What I would suggest, it would be at minimum wage if he's going to pay it off. But if he's going to do it someplace, talk to the probation department. If it's a legit place, it shouldn't be a problem at all.
Si se le permite, se le toma en cuenta bajo el salario mínimo, si es que lo va a hacer. Y si quiere saber más de eso, hable con los del Departamento de Libertad Condicional y si es un lugar legítimo, no debe haber problema.
Okay, sounds good, Your Honor.
All right.
Muy bien, gracias.
Take care and good luck to you, Ms. Arevalo.
Cuídese y buena suerte, señor Arevalo.
Okay, thank you, Judge. You have a great day.
You too, sir.
Your Honor, may I be excused after the breakout room?
Yes, go to the breakout room with them, and after that, you're welcome to go about your business. Thank you for your time.
My pleasure, always, Your Honor.
On Cyril, all I got is an order to remove interlock device. That's all. I don't have anything else.
Your Honor, what's that case number? I can maybe look it up and see where the issue is.
6488807.
And Your Honor, do you have the paperwork back on Mr. Michael Smith's case? Looks like you've signed it, and the clerk said he doesn't have anything pending.
Michael Smith? Okay,
Michael J. Smith. 657-792.
six, what?
657-792. Michael Jake Smith with Thomas L. Plessier.
No, ma'am, I do not have it.
All right, let me forward it to you if I may.
Here, I got it. It says I already signed it, but I haven't gotten it back. Okay, I got it now again. Michael J. Smith, Jake Smith, I got now. Are we ready on that one?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is 657-792. State versus Michael Jake Smith. Are you Michael Jake Smith?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Mr. Smith who's charged with the offense of DWI?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I have some, Mr. Plessier, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under discovery rules?
I believe we have, Your Honor.
The state, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so, Mr. Smith, I have some papers here from the district attorney's office and your attorney, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you know he gave up that right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone force you to make you give up that right?
No, Your Honor.
All right, how do you plead to this offense?
No contest?
You understand no contest plea in misdemeanor court is not helpful at all. It has the
Yes.
same effect as the guilty plea. You understand that?
Your Honor.
You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you still wish to plead no contest knowing that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to find this plea is voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
A $400 fine, court costs, 12 months deferred adjudication, 48 hours community service, DWI education, victim impact panel, ATP evaluation, ignition interlock for half the term, $60 restitution to Texas DPS for the blood draw. And I don't believe the state announced before, but we are waiving the enhancement and proceeding on a DWI first.
Okay. That's your understanding, Mr. Plessier?
It is, Your Honor. We are making one request that the matter be transferred to Hidalgo County where my client lives, Your Honor.
That's not a problem. I'm going to fine you $400, sir. You're to order to pay court costs. I'm going to sentence you to 12 months of deferred adjudication probation, 48 hours community service, the DWI education course, victim impact panel, ATP evaluation, see if you need drug or alcohol treatment, ignition lock devices placed in all vehicles at your home for 6 months, and you're to pay $60 restitution to the Texas Department of Public Safety. The enhancement has been waived, so we're going forward with that, and your probation can be moved to Hidalgo County. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Stay on and talk to the probation department. All right?
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
I got Mayberry finally. Just walked in. I mean, just came in. Are we ready on that?
What's the case number, Your Honor?
656332. Reckless driving, Donovan Mayberry.
Yes, we should be ready. I just need to check and make sure the discovery was sent. Believe it was.
Mr. Kimmy, did you confer with Mr. Valentine? You're muted.
Yes, I did. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we're gonna put you in another room. Is that okay?
Okay, sure.
Judge, can I approach? This is Jaime Aldapin.
Yes, sir.
It looks like the signatures were sent to the court, but I think one of the 3 signatures were signed. There's still a couple that were left.
On Mayberry?
For Mayberry, yeah. I was calling the court. And it looks like
I have some paperwork on reckless driving. It just came in. Just a second.
Okay.
Jaime, did you get the discovery from Brett?
I can double check. I don't see it, but if you send it to me right now, I'll sign it.
I will.
Your Honor, Anthony Bancroft, when the court's ready.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you? Are you gonna do a plea?
No, unfortunately, Your Honor, it's not a plea. I've conferred with the state. They've given me some homework, and we are in agreement to a brief reset to get that stuff done.
Okay, December 6th.
December 6th it is, sir. I appreciate your patience with me, Your Honor. May my client and I be excused.
Yes, sir. Be careful out there.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Yes, who's talking?
this is Justin Guerra. May I be excused for a quick second so I can try to give Mr. Ross the phone call?
Okay, yeah, he was on here for a second, and then he just disappeared. But yes, sir.
Your Honor, he's in line to confer. He's there.
Okay.
Okay, never mind.
That discovery is sent out now.
I've got some documents, but Judge Angelini did not sign on two of the documents, so I'm gonna resend it. I'm gonna see if it'll go through.
Leda, with this one, I couldn't edit the email because it was one Brett sent out, so I had to download it, save it as a PDF, and make a new Adobe sign to send out, which included the signatures of the defendant and the defense. So the one that's pending, we can't deal with until later, but that same paperwork has been sent to the judge.
I just signed a discovery acknowledgement on Donovan Mayberry, 656-332.
Yeah, we should be ready to go on that, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Does he have one case or two, Mr. Mayberry?
Your Honor, he has two reckless drivings. The agreement is going to be to TIC the older reckless driving, probation on the newer one, and withdraw the MTR.
Okay, so we go in on 656-332?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we can go right now then. All right, this is cause number 656-332, the state versus Donovan Mayberry. Are you Donovan Mayberry? Need to unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you raise your right hand? You solemnly
Yes, Your Honor.
raise your right hand. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Mr. Mayberry, can you hear me?
Your Honor, he told me earlier, just so the court knows, his internet is not the best. And
Yes, Your Honor.
he needs to see you raise your right hand, though.
Yes, Your
Donovan.
Honor.
Can
Raise
you
your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Well, we can't do it without him being present, so. Mr. Aldapi, we can do it another time, tomorrow, or if he can go to another place where he can get better connection, I don't know.
If it's okay with the court, I'd like to do it. Is there an afternoon docket today?
Tomorrow at 1 o'clock, I'm picking 1:30.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yeah,
Oh.
can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Okay, Mr. Aldapi, can we do it tomorrow at 1 o'clock?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, have him come to either your office or a courtroom or someplace else where we can do this, okay?
I'll text him my office address. I'll have him come here, Judge.
Okay, just find me tomorrow.
May we be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Valdez, what's the plan, Stan? Jerry?
Yeah. Judge, I've conferred, we're gonna have to set this on the trial docket, Judge.
Okay, have you gotten all your discovery?
Yes, Judge, I think, well, for what they have available, yes.
No, have you gotten, that's not the question. Have you gotten all your discovery?
What the state has, Judge, yes, I do.
Okay, are they gonna have any more?
Well, I'm hoping they don't, but that's what we're trying to get videos and they haven't been able to get them, so.
Well, then you don't have all your video. Do you think they have videos that you have not received?
Yes.
All right, then December 6th, and let's get all your discovery by then.
Okay, Judge.
Because you don't know if you're gonna go to trial until you got all your discovery.
Yes, Judge. Okay, Judge. Can Mr. Garcia be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
And you're looking good, Judge. You hang in there.
Oh, I'm trying.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Acevedo, who are you waiting on?
I'm waiting on Patrick Valentin. He's my.
On Patrick Valentine? Okay.
Yes, Valentine.
Okay. Where is Mr. Valentine? Is he still waiting to talk to Mr. Kimmy? Is that right, Ms. Flower?
He's already spoken to somebody and he's on the breakout room. He's still there.
Okay, got it. And Mr. Smith, you're waiting to talk to Mr. Richardson?
That's for probation, correct?
Yeah, Mr. Richardson, you need to be with Mr. Smith, Michael Smith.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Ms. Castillo, which breakout room would you want us to go to? Thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor, are we waiting on another plea or should I jump back in and confer with?
I don't know what we're waiting on, actually, if anything. I don't think we have have you talked to Mr. Ross? Who talked to Mr. Ross or did anybody? Jonathan?
88 Kemi is in there right now.
Okay. Ms. Smith and Mr. Richardson, did y'all ever get together?
Yes, Your Honor, I just talked to him. Am I free to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor, it looks like Mr. Ross is back.
That is correct, Your Honor. I have Mr. Justin Guerra, and we still are waiting on video on that and possibly some photographs. This is a first setting. If we could please get a regular reset, we'd appreciate it.
What do you need?
It's a first setting, the video, and I expect also photos of the complainant, the alleged injury to come in. So if we could get a regular reset, we'd appreciate it.
December 6th.
December 6th. Thanks, Judge. You have a good one.
Mr. Valentine, what are we doing?
Okay, with regards to Andrea Acevedo, Your Honor, we have an offer, but looking at the case, I see that the arresting officer was a Desi Rios. I have good reason to believe he was indefinitely suspended by SAPD yesterday because he's actually our client. So that presents sort of a conflict that we need.
Yeah, it does, without a doubt. All right, why don't you reset it for 1 week, Mr. Valentine, and then just see what you're gonna file motions to get on, represent Ms. Acevedo or the other person. Probably can't represent both, so.
Yeah.
Or either one, maybe. So anyway, look into it and then present your motions, the appropriate motions at that time. Let's reset it for 1 week.
1 week. Thank you, Judge.
October 28th.
28th. That's a Thursday?
Yes.
Well, you can look into it and decide on what y'all want to do. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. With regards to Cecilia Davila, she has decided to accept the state's offer. If we can get that done today, it's great. If not, we'll come back whenever.
If we can do it right now, we can do it right now. If not, we can do it. Why don't you do the paperwork right now and come back in the morning?
That sounds good.
Talk to Mr. Lowry and y'all get it all done, or Mr. Kimmy, and get it done and do it in the morning.
This is Chris. If you just email me with your client's email address and the case number, I can get that paperwork sent out right after we're done docket. You can fill it out and be ready for tomorrow.
Is your email chris.lowry?
It's KRISTIEN.LOWRY.
Okay, I'll get that done right now. And we will see y'all tomorrow then.
Okay, take care, Mr. Brown.
You too, Judge. Andrea, you're good to log off. I'll call you in just a minute.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Otero, what are we doing with you guys?
Good afternoon, Judge. We're set for trial in December, but my client had been having problems with her truck and the ignition unlock. Judge Saldaña just signed an order that she can replace the ignition interlock with a portable one, and she's picking that order up at the courthouse right now. She's in the courtroom, and so I think the issue was that order. The order has been signed, and she's going to exchange, substitute the ignition unlock with the portable.
Okay.
So I guess we're good for trial. That thing is December 3rd.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe excuse, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Ms. Castillo, do we have anything else? Is anybody pending?
They're conferring, well, Mr. Cornelius Cox is just coming out. I guess he's the only one that was left conferring.
Okay. Hey,
Thank you,
Cornelius.
Judge. All right, we all paperwork is in. This state is going to file dismissal on this one.
You twisted their arms?
Yeah, we had some paperwork that was sent up, but they had sent to the wrong email, I guess. But they have it now, so I think everything is done on it.
Okay.
He's going to do it. So my client he's on AKO. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but I let him know that Pedro is has it done yet, Pedro, or
On its way.
okay, he's on his way to you, Judge.
Okay, then you can go. I mean, he can go back to his business and.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Judge.
Mhm.
Okay.
And Mr. Bancroft leave? I didn't hear his announcement. Bancroft.
On Xavier Gonzalez?
Yes.
Xavier Gonzalez. Ms. Davila, you need to get hold of Mr. Valentine.
I'm here. I apologize, Judge. Xavier Gonzalez.
Yes, sir. Where's
I
Mr.
couldn't hear it in my
Bancroft?
headphones. He said that he had to step away earlier at like 11:40. He told me to stay on waiting for him to return, I assume.
Yep, we're waiting for him.
Okay, I can give him a call right now if you give me one moment, Judge.
Okay,
I did confer with him, Judge.
okay.
I just maybe.
Okay, Ms. Davila, you're with Mr. Valentine.
Oh, okay. Move the dog off.
He just texted me, Judge. Do you want me to ask him to jump back on?
Yes, we're waiting for him.
Okay. I understand. 1 second, Judge.
Is this the one where we reset it already?
Which one, Your Honor?
Bancroft, I don't remember.
I don't have anything on my notes. That's why I'm asking for him, and the
They
client
just,
was still there.
they'll blend in after a while.
Mhm. And John Fox, Your Honor?
He's coming right back. Oh, sorry.
No problem, Mr. Gonzalez. John Fox, what? We
didn't do a plea on him. Did he have a?
yeah, we did do a play.
We did? Okay. I just didn't jot it down. There's Mr. Bancroft.
Okay, did we reset your case? Is that correct, Mr. Bancroft?
Yes, sir. You offered me December the 6th.
Okay, that's what we thought. We're getting everything kind of mixed up with the Zoom.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
It's a blessing and a curse all in one, Judge. It really is. Thank you. I appreciate you checking.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
And Mr. Gonzalez, you can go about your business.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Okay. KO is Cornelius's case, waiting on the dismissal.
Your Honor, do you have a note there on Roberto Vargas? I don't have one. It was 638-028, Jesse Mendoza.
No, I do not. I don't remember talking to him. Let me look. No, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. Well, I think that's it. The only thing is, so I guess you're waiting on the dismissal, and after that, we are done until tomorrow morning.
Okay, tomorrow.
Apparently the motion to suppress fell.
Yeah, the one with Robert.